So it is January 6th, 2010, and this is our beach day. This is the day we planned to go to spend the rest of the day at the beach. I don't know if you can see it, but you can probably hear the sound of the pouring rain. I'll try and get a picture of that swimming pool over there. See the rain just drip, drip, dripping. Yes, it's a beautiful day for the beach. If you want to get wet before you go in the water. I'll try to zoom in on the ocean without getting my camera too wet. See the waves and the wind. It's a-pouring down. This morning, Nathan and Heather thought that they were either in a coffee maker, a shower, or hearing popcorn popping. It's not a familiar sound, this sound of pouring rain. So long, Manzanillo.